In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money to Saudi Arabia with Remitly. We'll go through the process from opening the app or website, all the way to entering the recipient's details and completing the transfer. This is a simple process, but it's important to move carefully so all the information is entered correctly. To begin, open your Remitly account. If you're using the mobile app, launch it and sign in. If you're on a computer, go to the Remitly website and log in there instead. Make sure you're fully signed in before moving forward, since the transfer options will only appear once your account is open. After that, look at the country option near the top of the screen. Click on it and select Saudi Arabia as the destination country. This tells Remitly where you want the money to go and updates the available delivery options for that location. Once Saudi Arabia is selected, click Send Money to start your transfer. At this point, you'll choose who you're sending the money to. If the recipient has already been saved in your contacts, simply click their contact to use their existing details. This can save time and help avoid typing the same information again. If the person is not already saved, click New Contact and select their country. Be sure to choose the correct country so the transfer details match the destination. Next, enter the amount you want to send. As you type, Remitly will usually show you the exchange rate, any fees, and the amount the recipient is expected to receive. Take a moment to review this carefully so you understand the total cost before continuing. Once the amount is entered, select the delivery method. The available choices may vary depending on the destination and the recipient's setup, so choose the option that best matches how they want to receive the money. After that, select your payment method. This is how you'll pay for the transfer, so choose the option that works best for you. Then click Continue. You'll be asked to enter the recipient's account details. Fill these in carefully and double-check everything before submitting, because even a small mistake can delay the transfer or send it to the wrong place. From there, simply follow the prompts on your screen to review and complete the transaction. Take your time during the confirmation stage and make sure all details look correct before finalizing the transfer. Once everything is confirmed, your money transfer to Saudi Arabia will be on its way.